Okay, so now that we have our car, we can go and start building a car. So I'm going to go here, we'll get a class, and we're going to call the class, for example, Toyota, because it's a type of car. So go ahead and hit finish here. And when we're bringing over an interface that works with a class, instead of using the word extends, we're going to use implements. And I believe I spelled that wrong. Implement. Yeah, there we go. Implements, and then we want to implement the car interface. So now it's going to say Toyota is not abstract and does not override the get speed method. So now we need to go through, just like we did for the abstract, and list out these 4 methods within our class. So we'll go ahead. We'll do public boolean is driving. And then it's going to say, okay, we're currently not returning a boolean, but that's okay. I just want to kind of list these out for right now. So then it wants next get speed. It seems to work backwards when you're looking at these. Public get speed, missing return statement. What else are we missing? Change park status. Public boolean change park status. You can see why I kept it really simple. And then is in reverse. Public boolean is in reverse. That satisfied the need for the class. Now, as far as bringing the variables over, we need to do that as well, because all we did was list out the variables, but we didn't do anything else. So let's check something, because we still need to even build our constructor as well. So public Toyota, and we'll set up some things here first, but this dot, and we do not currently have any of the variables that we declared over here coming over. Well, so what we need to do there is rebring them over here for a second. I want to check one quick thing to see if there's a simpler way to do it. Okay, as confirmed by this website, and we'll take a look at it, says interface can contain both variables and constants. However, does not make sense to do variables in an interface because you can't change the value after the fact because they become kind of constant and interchangeable. So these 4 pieces here, where we're changing the speed, we don't want to ever change that. The only thing we want to keep are the tires. So those 4 variables that we named, let's bring them over here. And this was my test of it. I went ahead and said wheels equals tires, and then it still produced the answer 4. So we'll go ahead and leave tires because every car has 4 tires that are actively working. So then we need to come over here and declare int speed, int in drive, or is in drive. And that wasn't an integer, was it? No. It was a boolean. And then we had is in park and is in reverse. Boolean is in park and boolean is in reverse. So when we create a Toyota object, I'm going to go ahead and let wheels equal tires just to demonstrate that that's what happens with a variable in the interface. We're going to say that this dot speed equals 0. In this case, we're not going to create a separate object because the car itself will be constructing as is. this dot is in drive equals false. This dot is in park. Well, it's not driving, so it equals true. And this dot is in reverse, then equals false. So we're going to go ahead and let those stand as is. We're also going to go ahead, because we don't want someone else to manipulate our car, we're going to go ahead and set all of these to private so they don't steal a tire or change our speed or put us in reverse when we're going down the highway. That would not be good. I'm going to come back then for the rest of these implementations.